Hello everyone, welcome to our talk today. My name is Mang Cai. I'm PhD, JD, attorney at law at New Weiming Law Group. We are based in Washington, D.C. metro area, and we have a history of more than 9 years. We have helped numerous applicants to receive their U.S. green cards. So today, my topic is 7 frequently asked questions about NIW green card. Well, you may have heard about NIW, and you may have additional questions, and this talk is to address those questions, each and every of them. So the first frequently asked question is, how long it may take for me to get US green card through NIW? Well, the answer is it depends. If you were born outside of India or mainland China, usually it may take 1 to 2 years from the start to approval of your US green card. There are 2 steps. The first step is I-140. Well, NIW is one category of I-140. The main purpose is to determine by the USCIS that you are qualified to receive the green card, that you meet the requirements for the green card based on NIW or National Interest Waiver. The second step, if you are already in the US, is 485. Adjustment of status. It's mostly background check to make sure you do not have criminal background record, past severe violation of U.S. immigration law. As you know, the advantages of NIW or National Interest Waiver include there's no employment requirement, no employer sponsorship, so it's a self-petition and you can decide whenever to file the application. The second frequently asked question is, how can I add my family members? Well, your husband, your wife, and your children under 21 can file I-485 together with you based on your NIW I-140 to get their US green cards around the same time with you. So that's good news. And the 485 can be filed either together with the NIW I-140 or after NIW I-140 is approved. Alternatively, when the I-140 is pending, you can also file 485. Of course, again, this is for applicants who were born outside of India and mainland China. From all other countries, they are eligible for this kind of concurrent filing of I-140 and 485. The third frequently asked question is, how much it will cost for the green card application? Well, first, there's the governmental fee. The government charges $700 for NIW I-140, and again, $1,225 per adult for I-485. And for children, the fee is $750 for I-485. On top of that, there are some other miscellaneous fees, like for medical exam, which may cost a couple $100 per person. And then you need to submit passport-style photos, which may cost maybe like $20 per person, and there are some mailing expenses. Well, for the attorney's legal fee, it may be several $1,000s, depending on your case. Our law firm provides a guarantee that we charge no additional fee if the government requests additional evidence regarding your application. And we do not charge any additional fee if, God forbid, your case is denied by the USCIS and we need to resubmit the application. In addition, we also provide sample documents and instructions for I-485 with no additional fee. So altogether, of course, it depends on your family size, but generally speaking, it will take maybe less than $10,000 altogether for you to get green cards for you and your family members. The fourth frequently asked question is, what kind of documents do I, as the applicant, need to provide? Well, if you are a researcher, scientist, physician, professional, engineer, for example, usually you will need to provide your academic profile, records, your past history of accomplishments. You will need to provide a research summary to highlight what kind of contributions you have made to your field of specialty. And you may also need recommendation letters from peers to evaluate the past achievements made by you. Well, all this is a little bit similar to application of research funding or application of faculty position. to help you understand. So these are the documents and the materials usually needed for your NIW application. The fifth frequently asked question: how long it will take from start to submission of my NIW application? Well, again, it depends. We need to cooperate together. Well, this is your application ultimately, and of course, procrastination will not help you. We have some applicants who, for whatever reason, maybe they're busy with the daily work. So, after signing the agreement to start the application, they just very slow in collecting the supporting materials. Of course, that won't help to speed up the application process. Usually, if there is no delay on your side as the applicant, well, it may take 2 to 3 months after signing the agreement to submission of your NIW application to the USCIS. Well, we use Dropbox folder to share documents with our clients, the applicants, for real-time access. So you can always have a good assessment of where you stand for the applications process. And as you know, we submit the hard copy application package to the USCIS. Those documents really speak for you. Evidence in hard copy is important. Well, you may have all these achievements, but you need to let the government, the USCIS, know about it so that they can properly assess your application and approve your case. The sixth frequently asked question is: who should I turn to for help on the NIW application? Well, you certainly can prepare the NIW by yourself, or if you decide to retain a law firm to help you file the NIW application, you can consider us, the New Weiming Law Group. Why? Because we have the expertise, we also have the personal experience, and we have a strong track record of success. So first, about the expertise. As you know, we have a number of PhD scientists who can understand your research and better present the strong points of your application profile. We also have the personal experience. I received my own green card through an NIW application, and my co-workers received their green cards through EB1A, Alien with Extraordinary Ability, which requires higher standard compared to the NIW. So you can trust on us because we have been through the process and we know what it takes to get the approval. We also have the track record. As I mentioned before, we have a history of more than 9 years when we have helped numerous applicants to receive their NIW, EB1, and other types of green cards. So what we can help is we read your profile, we help you prepare and organize application documents. We present your application to the USCIS. We emphasize the strong points in your profile and make the whole process easy and smooth for you to get your NIW approval. So finally, the last frequently asked question is: do I qualify for NIW? And how should I start? Well, you can start by sending us an email for your free evaluation. You can visit our website for more information. You can also check our other videos for more information. So these are the frequently asked questions and answers for the NIW. Thank you.